Hello everyone, welcome to Coding World. So today in this video we will discuss about how to integrate meetings in Angular application. So currently I am using Jitsi. So yeah, of course I have tried EduMeet and Zoom meetings also. But coming to the EduMeet has it is an open source. It is also an open source, and it is free also. But I have faced a few problems while installing EduMate in the node. We need to run in a particular node application first, and while running the node application, we have to give in a particular API, particular URL, and we need to navigate from Angular to. If you are in a particular page, we need to navigate from the other page, like you are going to a separate page which is created with a node page. We given a URL. So coming to the gist, Jitsi. Jitsi is a free and open source platform voice video conference for the web platforms also. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to integrate Jitsi meeting iframe API in Angular. Also, how you can use custom buttons to control Jitsi events also. And we will go to the custom buttons and everything in the second video, which I will post again. First, coming to this video, I will tell you how to use and how to integrate the video and how to add the participants and how to give a maximum numbers of members to attend the meeting. Okay. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and give a thumbs to my videos, and put a comment below, so that if you want any new video on particular modules or anything, please mention in the comments below. I can respond, and I will share if you want the code, I can share it way of mail, because I haven't opened any website right now. So, and yeah, I will tell you the functionality, how it works. So coming to the here, to add the participant, we have this option. You can invite someone, and you can copy the link here. These are the embedded meetings and meeting invitation way of other like through mail or Gmail, etc. First we will check with this. I'm pasting this. We will if I am a organizer of this meeting, I will share this link to the students or colleagues, whoever, and as soon as I share this link, it will come to this page. It will ask for the name, as you seen in the Zoom also. So I'm placing Naveen join meeting. Here you can see this is my thing, and this is the organizer. You can directly share the screen also. One second, I'll show you how to share the screen. This to raise the hand, this for open chat. I'll do one thing. I will do a open chat here. Here you go. See, we got an open chat. Okay. Now I will do one thing. I will share the screen. Okay. See, it is asking share screen. Okay, the screen is getting shared. I'll see in this. See, you can see the screen sharing here, and I'll stop the screen sharing. You can raise the hand. See, you got a hand raise. Same as you compared with Zoom meetings, which are the advantages we have, which are the features we have in Zoom meeting, the same things available in the Jitsi. And by the way, I will let you know in the second video about how to remove this logo and all. We'll check it later. And here toggle view, and we can add participants again here. More action, select background, invite people, performance settings, start recording. I haven't checked the start recording. It will be okay. You need to sign in with upload Dropbox. Okay, I haven't created it yet. If you have created, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, in this way we can integrate the this is how Jitsi works. And now we will go to the coding part. Okay, let's get started to the coding part. Okay, coming to the coding part. So I will share a website to you, which has a document of complete Jitsi. So you can take the reference from that website. So yeah, I forgot to mention that yeah, I have integrated Zoom and mm, Edumate. I don't know about Edumate max number of people who can join in that meeting, but I think Zoom also have some limit of people can join in that. So okay, coming to the video part. So here I have created a component named Jitsi. So I have integrated this in inside an app component. And ignore this comment section. I just trying to what do you call, practice something. mm, okay, first thing you need to do is in index.html page you need to integrate this thing. Okay, http ://meet.jit.si. okay, this is the thing which you need to integrate. And by the way, there is no need of installing any other plugins. And there is no need of creating what do you call creating node application or run node application simultaneously, because I have created this thing in my local and I'm running it is running successfully. And yeah, after including this src file, you need to come to just HTML page. Now here we will go with the HTML part. If you think it is little, please refer to the link which I will mention in the the code which I will mention in the comment section. Okay, so first we need to give an iframe id is equal to first iframe. Actually I am giving style here anyway. Style of height and width. So, 500 pixel. Coming to the bottom. Now here we'll write custom controls. Okay, item inside this we will write span. Okay, I think these are this heading is not needed, but giving here fill give with the class. Give a second. Okay, now item hyphen center. Inside this we will write the custom buttons, I mean with including icons. I will write click function here. We need a number of click functions to share the screen. Execute command I'll write a single function with the commands here. I will pass the parameter string, so it will toggle audio class FAS. I have used an FAS icons. If you know, I think. Write ng class for this. Ng class, and I'm writing conditions here. These are all based on conditions. I'm showing what icons need to be displayed. Okay. If you think I'm speed, please pause the video or keep it in little slow. Or if you think it is fast, if it is fast, please keep it in slow, so that you can catch. And I will give title for this, mute unmute. Okay, so here welcome here. I will copy this whole thing. I can't write that many times, so we have 4 custom buttons. We will be having 4 custom buttons. So first one is done, hang up, next hang up, there will be a hang up, and we will change this to FA phone / icon FA 2x red color shade to title as lead. The same way. Next we have toggle video. Same, to gray color, and here we'll remove this toggle share screen. These are the basic things which I'm keeping. If you have any, you can check in the document. You can customize and rewrite anything. Okay, rewrite or remove this. These are the basic things, basic features in meetings anyway. We won't remove a thing. So okay, so here there's no need of ng class anyway. And here I think we need to is video muted. I'll remove audio and I'll write a video, and here I will remove microphone as /video /, okay, sorry, here single string video. Okay, and here we will remove this entire thing, and we will keep start stop camera. Okay, here we will write, this is for screen sharing, right? So we will write share here screen. Okay, I think there is no need of condition here. I'm removing this condition. Right, I think it's true. Execute command. Okay, done. Now coming to the TS part, how we will to write first coming to the import section, we need to first we need to declare a declare where jitsi meeting JTSI meeting to null API of any. Okay, so here this is was done, and we need here we need after viewing it, you know, type cycle looks right after view and at the end. Okay, then okay, so coming here, we'll write we already mentioned the custom is audio muted, right? Is audio muted is equal to false. The same way we need to write is video muted. Okay, false, keeping false by default. Now we will okay, in ng on init we need to mention a room here. By default we need to create a room, right? Room of any and users also, user of any, and by the way, for API of any, and we need a domain. By default we will take a domain right now with string is equal to meet dot jit dot si. Okay, si next room user API options of any. I will let you know why we are using options in upcoming while writing the code. Okay, right now we will write this dot room is equal to jitsi meeting dot meeting API example. Okay, next we will write the username. What is our by default username? I mean, who is hosting, their username need to be mentioned here. By default it will show to the who are the participants joining in the meeting. There it will be displayed there. I'm writing coding wall, my channel name. Okay, now here we will write ng view in it, ng after view. Okay, ng after view in, and by the way I need to mention here, otherwise we will get after view int. Okay, I'm showing it. Okay. Why? Okay. Oh, okay, I have given wrongly here. There is a reason it was showing. Okay, now as I told you, right, why we mention options. So here we need to configure for that options is equal to in a string, sorry, an object room name is equal to anyway this dot room and this dot room comma, and coming here we will give width, max width, how much it need to be taken. So anyway we are giving 900, right? Please stay tuned, please watch this video till end, because there's lot of things which if you check with the document also you are not able to what do you call the find figure out what is the problem, because even I have faced this issue while writing in what do you call in edumate etc. So that is the reason I'm saying please watch this video till end, so that you won't face any problems while integrating the whole thing. Project pre-join page enable, this is to avoid joining again. So spelling off now. Interface config right of object. Now here this is asking how many members can join. I think that tile view max column, like how many members need to be show in the tile session, which I have shown you, right? So that for that reason this is way to show. And okay, this is completed. Now we will give a parent node document parent node document dot query select query selector. Here we'll give a name for this. The object which the name we mentioned here, this we need to copy here. We're directly assigning a DOM thing. Okay. Here we will user info of an object display name of this dot user dot name. Okay, now here we will this object has been completed. Okay, options object. Now we will write this dot API. We need to mention API, right? So here we will give new JITs. We will copy this external API, this dot my mouse touch is very sensitive, so that's the reason it was completely erased. Okay, here we will mention that this dot will send this dot dom this dot domain and this dot options. Okay, here we completed this thing. Now below we will write the event handlers for this. Okay, what are the event handlers which we need to mention, like ready to close, participate, join, those things I will mention in the below. This dot api dot add event listeners. Inside this we need to give ready to close is equal to this dot until close. We need to give handle close functions here. 1 second, I will write functions first, or otherwise we will okay. First we will write this thing, later we will write the functions. Participant left participant left this dot handle this left. These are the functions we need to mention. 1 second, give me a second, I will like these are the handlers we can give like this, arrow functions, and participant okay. The same way we need to add other event handlers, like participant joined this dot and handle participant join the same way we need to give video conference and this dot until video conference joined. Next video conference left, video conference left, start the conference left. Next we have audio status changed. We don't have audio status muted or something, we just have audio status audio mute status changed, that's it. Audio mute status changed audio status with this dot should until mute this. If in case you are writing, please do check with the same names, because I haven't seen that. I mean, I haven't changed the names and tried with the handlers, so because they will be same names. Just change this until okay. And that's it we have. So I'll quickly write this. So we got the all event handlers. Right now we need to mention some anyway, for the closing we don't have any, we don't need anything. So I'm just writing a console log, that's it. And till close. Now participant left, we need to write a async here. Second. Okay. Here parameter what we pass is participant of any equal to, okay. Here will the write const data is equal to await this dot get participants. Okay. Friends, I'll let you know what will be the, actually we write a function here with the get participant. Need to turn new. I'm writing a promise here. Promise with the resolve reject. Now here we will run a set timer function, the write finder here, and inside this I will write a resolve this dot API dot get participants info function, okay, to get the all participants. Okay, for this we will write here. Next, coming to this part, okay, this was done. Now coming to joined. So here we will write const data is equal to wait, here also we will use the same thing. I'll do one thing. Anyway, we need to call what do you call, for the video conference, and for the remaining also, after video conference we need this thing, but whereas coming to the video conference, we don't need any data. We just navigate to some other site if the handler returns this thing. First we will complete with this thing, what do you call, the async video participant joined will send the same thing. Okay, the async only for this, for video conference joined. Okay, coming to the remaining things, remaining events for video status and all, we don't need anything, or else we can write this what do you call, video conference left, we can route this dot router dot navigate by default we have thank you. I will do one thing, I will navigate to the same page. Okay, I will navigate to the same page, we'll check it later. Here we can write console.log for the status and till mute status comma udio. I think we don't have audio, right? We are sending this as a event of any. Next here we will send video of any, same thing, whichever it may be, there won't be any difference for that. Video. Okay, coming to this, we already mentioned the function, and here we will execute commands. Execute command of string here we will write a number of conditions for hang up, toggle audio and toggle video. Okay, which we written here, right? This is the function and these are the parameters which we are passing, and we will write the condition based on that, like to display just to for these things. So API dot execute, and we need to send the commands to the execute command. If we write command is equal to hang up, right? Hang up. Okay, hang up, then we need to navigate this dot router dot navigate to our home page. Okay, I'll write home page here. H5, this is home. Okay, and if if command is equal to toggle audio, right? Toggle audio, then we need to this dot is audio muted is equal to this dot audio is audio muted. If is equal to video toggle video, then this dot is video muted Okay, that's it. We will first check it once everything is right, so that we'll save this, we'll run this. Here is the error expression, all three expressions at the end of think this should not HTML part. Leave it. We'll check the sign of it is on. I've done something wrong here. It's audio muted. Microphone hyphen slash next is video muted. Fa slash is equal to video so put all three expressions at the end of expression. Okay, microphone, so not microphone, it's microphone. I think my bad, microphone, spelling mistake. Here I have done a mistake. I have need to mention this micro, then micro. This error need to be gone. Okay, this error has been gone. Okay, mention this need to be changed. Okay, one second. It's not meeting, it's meet. I corrected this also. ng view int, I have mistakenly removed this. That's why this was created. Okay, now hello, sorry, we got this one. I'll do one thing, I'll refresh it once. We got it right now. So by default it is showing coding wall, whichever the name I have given here. If I change the name here coding wall, then it will be shown something else, whichever the name I have mentioned. So what I will do is, see, we have mute button. By default it was false, and video also, by default it was false according to that. Okay, now I have clicked join meeting, so I got this meeting. Now the counting is getting started. Now I will do one thing, I will add participant, I will invite participant. Okay, click meeting, I'm pasting this. See here we got the name and all. I'm giving Naveen here and I click join meeting. See, I have joined the meeting. CW is there, like coding wall is already there. If I raise the hand here, it will show hand raised. Okay, would you like to would you like to speak in the same way? It is the same way as we have Zoom meetings also. So I want to add another participant here. I'm entering the same link here. TW2 join meeting. So there are 3. I will add one more. 3. Now we will add one more. 4. So these many peoples have been added. Now 1 2 3 4 5 tiles have 8, right? 8 tiles. We'll add 2 more. 5 6 7 8. Now here I will give 5 6 yes, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We'll add one more and we will check whether the tile issue we are getting or not. Oh, we are getting. So in this way we can do it. We can share the screen. I'm number 8, right? I'm sharing the screen right now. See here my window, this is my window, me, it is showing me. So here we can do like this. If I'm stopping, it can stop. If I raise the hand, it's showing the hand raiser, and we can chat here. See, we got the chat window here. We can check. See, we got the chat which I have sent. Number 8 has been sent the chat request. So in this way we can integrate meetings in Angular. So if you want, you can check in Jitsi a documentation where you can get the complete customization for meetings and all. So here we go. I'm closing this. We got this. Okay. Closing this one. Left the meeting. Here I have left the meeting. The same way I'm leaving all the meetings except this. If I click this one, the meeting has been closed. Okay, so in this way we can integrate meeting, and coming in upcoming video I will show you how to remove this all, and can just set the exact the way the meeting works. I think it is not that much tedious whereas compared to EduMeet and what do you call Zoom meeting. So because in that we need to simultaneously we need to create an application, we need to run a node application, and we need to give a URL for that, and we need to run there. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs, and please do subscribe to my channel, and please check the remaining videos also if it is useful for you, and don't skip the videos. Please completely watch till end, and please supporting guys. Thanks for watching.